Welcome to this 2-minute Techie Tip brought to you by the Lumen Christi Saint Squad. Students actively involved in networking and technology. This is Betsy
and Chelsea.
And the Saint Squad members, our goal is to increase student achievement through use of 21st century learning technology. So let's get started and learn how to use Comic Sketch.
For teachers and students, Comic Sketch is a creative web 2.0 drawing tool for creating simple comic strip-like stories. Comic Sketch would be a great tool to use to tell the steps involved in a lesson or to retell the parts of a story. Comic Sketch would also be cool to use for original storytelling. Here is one example that shows how the final product is displayed in panels, just like a comic strip, but by clicking on this play button, you can see how the illustration is created.
Anyone can use Comic Sketch to create drawings to go with a writing assignment or to enhance any project. Images can be printed or embedded into any program like Word, Smartboard, Notebook, Files, PowerPoint, or a wiki page. And bonus points, users do not have to create an account to use Comic Sketch.
So let's get started and learn how to use Comic Sketch. Here is the website URL. Some of the examples on this site may not be appropriate for all students, so we do not recommend allowing students to view the galleries. Instead, we click on Draw Comics and get right to it.
Start by giving your comic a title. Then you decide how many panels you want to your comic strip by clicking on this copy button. For example, we'll have 3 panels. This is my work area. I can choose my pen colors and widths here. I can draw on each panel. When I am done with one panel, I save my work here. To finish my comic strip, I just click on one of the panels to create my illustration and then save each one. I will see my drawings appear in my work area.
So now that all the panels in my comic strip are completed, I need to save my project. I do that by clicking on the Finish Comic button here. Then, if I wait a second or two and scroll down, I am given the embedded code, which I can use to embed this comic strip into my wiki page. So now I can embed this comic strip into a wiki page or take a screenshot. How do I do this stuff? Watch the other 2-minute Techie tips for using embed code and taking screenshots. It's easy.
So thanks for watching this 2-minute Techie tip on Comic Sketch. Please use this Web 2.0 tool to promote 21st century learning in your classroom. Start a wiki for you and your students and begin using it as a publishing platform to highlight the efforts of your digital learners.